Hi there. Whenever we start talking to people about Popdock as a reporting tool, one of the first questions we're asked is, how does Popdock compare to this other reporting tool I'm already using? In this video, I'll show you where Popdock fits into your business reporting tool belt, and then I'll compare that to some of the other tools available today. In order to understand where Popdock fits into your reporting tool belt, it helps to understand the categories of business reporting. First, we have financial reports. This category includes reports like the balance sheet or the income statement. These reports have very strict rules about content and formatting and usually only include general ledger-based information. Financial reports are basically historical scorecards for how the business is done. Next, we've got management reports. This category really became what people meant by BI over the past 20 years or so. These reports are generally aggregated, taking 10 to 50,000 foot view of the data. The data for these reports could really come from anywhere, and the reports are generally designed to answer specific questions and aid in decision making. Unlike financial reports, which are a representation of the general ledger, management reports actually may not necessarily match the general ledger at all. Last is operational reporting. Like management reports, the data can come from anywhere. Unlike management reports, operational reports are designed to be in the weeds. The reports are detailed lists designed to drive or support a business process or answer specific questions. Sometimes it helps to know what you're trying to build if you think in terms of who you're building it for. Financial reports are generally intended for the board, the bank, and the government. Business leaders and managers can also use these reports to see how the business has done historically from an overall financial perspective. As the name implies, management reports are meant for business managers. Some management reports are often packaged with financial reports to help explain the financials to the reader, and for this reason we throw the board in here as part of the audience as well. Operational reports are primarily meant for the doers. For example, a billing clerk needs to know what orders got shipped today, or a salesperson needs a list of customers who recently purchased a particular product so that they can follow up. Operational reports are also for the people who answer the questions that management reports leave behind. For example, when a manager sees that pie chart showing sales by region, they may ask their assistant to gather all the details behind that chart. Lastly, operational reports are often used by process managers who need detailed answers to their questions in order to keep their process running smoothly. Now that we have some context as to the type of reports and who's reading them, I figure it's time we talk about where Popdock fits in. I would say that Popdock is primarily an operating reporting tool. Popdock is producing user-driven, real-time, detailed lists of data. The ability to add details, drill downs, and actions to a list makes Popdock an essential tool in enabling and managing business processes. With Popdock widgets, you can also ensure that your users have the answers they need in whatever system they're choosing to work in. Another area where Popdock fits in is management reports. Indeed, our own CEO lives inside his own Popdock dashboard for a big chunk of his day. Within Popdock, users can create light visualizations of data, group data, and report it over periods of time, or they can even create summarized lists. Popdock can also participate in this category by acting as a data source for other solutions such as Power BI or Tableau. This means that data from disparate systems could be easily connected and filtered inside of Popdock and then fed to a stronger visualization tool to be made pretty. Popdock wouldn't be a good fit in the financial reporting category. Although Popdock lists may be used to support some of the numbers on a financial report, by no means would we recommend creating your balance sheet in it. So back to that first question. How do we compare to whatever other reporting tools you're using today? I thought I would help answer that by positioning some of the solutions we're regularly asked about into these three buckets. There's a number of tools in the market today designed to do a good job at financial reports. Three that we see quite often are Jet Reports by Insight Software, Profix, or Management Reporter. For management reporting tools, there's a giant list. A lot of the financial reporting tools have moved into the management reporting space over time, so you'll see some of the same names, but other tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Solver are also very strong in this category. Lastly, under operational reports, the list is a little harder to show. There are obvious ones that get used, such as Excel and SSRS, and for Dynamics GP users, there's SmartList. But most ERP, CRM, or line of business solutions also come with built-in operating reports. For example, every accounting system can give you a list of customers with a past due balance or a list of on-hand inventory. These are all proprietary reports to the system they're in and may or may not be customizable depending on the system. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of where Popdock fits into your business reporting tool belt. In the next video, we'll go through positioning Popdock as an integration tool. Don't forget that you can always go to popdock.com to start your free trial anytime.